In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reverb in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to give your audio a little more space, depth, or atmosphere, adding reverb is a quick and effective way to do it. Reverb can make a voice sound more natural in a larger environment, or help create a specific mood depending on the kind of project you're working on. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, applying this effect is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to find it. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure the audio clip you want to edit is already placed on your timeline. Once you're ready, go to the Effects tab. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps a wide range of effects that you can apply to your clips, including both video and audio effects. If you don't immediately see the one you need, don't worry, because the search feature makes this much faster. Inside the Effects tab, click into the search bar and type in Reverb. As you search, DaVinci Resolve will filter the available effects and show you the Reverb option. This saves time and helps you avoid scrolling through a long list manually, especially if you're still getting familiar with the layout of the software. When you see the reverb effect appear in the results, click on it and drag it directly onto your audio clip in the timeline. Drop it onto the clip you want to affect, and that's it. The reverb effect has now been added to your audio. At this point, your clip will now play back with the reverb applied. A helpful tip is to listen carefully after adding the effect, because even a simple reverb can change the tone and clarity of your audio quite a bit. If you're using reverb on dialogue or voiceover, a lighter touch often sounds better and keeps the words easy to understand. For music, ambient sound, or cinematic moments, reverb can be used more creatively to build a sense of space. So again, the process is simple. Open the Effects tab, search for reverb, and drag the reverb effect onto your audio clip. That's all you need to do to add reverb in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.